Hello. Welcome to ActionNET tutorial provided by Spin. In this video, we'll continue the exercise we were doing. We'll talk more about alarms, alarm history and trend graph. To get started, go to Edit menu, Alarms submenu. The groups that will be used already exist by default in this project, which are called Critical and Warning, but you can create one according to your needs. Go to Items tab and list the tags to alarms. Fill in as shown. The conditions, limits, groups and messages of each alarm are being set. Go to Draw menu and create a new display called Pagi Alarmes. Create an alarm window and two buttons. One will serve to acknowledge all alarms and another to turn off the alarm sound. To recognize all alarms, you will use the ActionNET method. And to turn off the alarm sound, the beep state method should be 0. Also create functions that show the total number of alarms and alarms that haven't been acknowledged yet. Do it as shown. In addition, it'll also be possible to display and edit current temperatures of the two areas through text box. And to finish, make one button that has the function to return to main page. Return to main display and connect the button to the corresponding display, as done in the last video on main menu and device buttons. For next functionality, create 3 new tags: alarm filter, of text type, start date and end date, both of date time type. Create a new display called Pagina Histórico Alarme. Configure by placing an alarm window, 3 buttons, and 4 boxes using Date Picker. In this display it is possible to filter alarms by critical or warning groups, and also by the day and time. On left menu, put Start Date tag and End Date tag on selected date field. Configure the alarm window by placing the start and end tags in history interval. Change list to alarm history. Give it a name and place the filter tag in filter. On buttons, link the filters to tags. On Todos button, which means all, there is no restriction, so put only 2 quotation marks. Already in the Alarms button, there is the restriction of only showing the alarms of critical group. And in Avisos, which means warnings, it shows only the warning group. Finally, create a button to return to main page. Relate main menu button to the newly created display. For trend display, create a new template named Trend and fill in with 3 new tags as indicated. Also create new 3 tags as shown. On Historian Tables tab, create a new table named Save on Change. And then in Historian, match the temperature tags. Create a new display called Page Trend. Select Trend Window Legacy and configure it as shown. Include two combo boxes to select which temperatures each cursor will represent. On the Code Behind tab, include the code as shown. Relate the main menu button to the newly created display. Let's run this project. As temperatures start at 0, the alarm is already triggered. In Alarm window, you can see alarms occurring in real time. If you click the beep off button, the siren is turned off. If you click Alarm Acknowledgement, all alarms are acknowledged. In addition, you can also change the temperature values to see new alarms being triggered. In Alarm History, you can see all alarms already triggered, as well as time and group filtering. And finally, in graphic display, you can see the variations of values of temperature tags. To test it, we will vary these values in main display. See the changes in real time. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next ActionNET tutorial video provided by Spin. If you have any question, please contact us.